Hello viewers, I Vinod Kumar Chauhan welcomes you in my YouTube channel CQ means Chauhan Coaching Classes. In our today's video, I am going to explain new topic circle. The definition of circle is a simple closed curve which is not a polygon. In the circle, so many points are really very important. The first point is this is the center of the circle. Then when we join this point, this center with any point on the circle, then it is called radius. If the radius are more than one, it means so many, then the plural of radius is radii. If there are 2 points on the circle, suppose it is B and it is C, the point B and C situated on the circle and it passes through the center also, then it is called the diameter. So now the 4 points are there. Number 1 center, number 2 radius, number 3 radii, number 4 diameter. The point number 5, when we join the 2 points on the circle but it cannot passes through the center, then it is called the chord. This is our point number 5. The distance between C and D. It is called the arc. Any part or portion of circle, and the entire part under this boundary is called the interior. And the part outside of this boundary, that is called the exterior part of the circle. The interior part of circle and the chord, it means the part covered by the chord is called the segment. Segment is covered by a chord and an arc. The interior part in between the arc and chord is called the segment. And the interior part of an arc, this is arc AB, and other 2 radii, this is R1 radii and this is R2 radius. So the part covered by an arc and 2 radii is called the sector. This is sector. As we calculated the perimeter in the case of square and a rectangle, we also calculate the perimeter of the circle. The perimeter of circle is called the circumference. This is circumference. The distance around a circle is its circumference, the complete distance. Suppose we start from A, then again we come on the A, the complete distance that we covered on circle is called the circumference. So after the point number 5, this is your point number 6 segment, point number 7 sector, and point number 8 circumference. And this is point number 9 interior and point number 10 exterior. So there are 10 points in the circle. So it is all about the circle. 4 point is there, that is arc. So it is all about the circle.